My research and publications concentrate on marginalized populations with a focus on mental health issues, and they're funded by a number of federal and provincial resources. My research employs multiple methods, provincial health administrative databases, and is interdisciplinary, community-based, and participatory in nature. One such study involved working with family resource centers, and we worked hard to build, test, and sustain a cluster of programs designed to promote healthy child development. A current study tests a program proven to build social and emotional skills in elementary school children. We're assessing long-term effects, cost benefits, and health service use. Several of my studies focus on homeless youth. These explore the trajectory into stable housing, how youth navigate services, and stress management programs. I'm also testing the effects of art therapy on recovery among youth with early psychosis, and serve as a research mentor on a project testing the effects of a clubhouse model for youth with mental illness. All my research is closely linked to my advocacy at the provincial and national levels.